China-made electric buses have renewed public transportation in the Rwandan capital of Kigali, winning the hearts of local residents with their eco-friendly and convenient riding experience. Basigo, a Kenya-based company importing electric buses from China, has worked with 3 public transport company operators in Rwanda. Benefiting from the increasing popularity of these electric buses in Rwanda, Basigo has witnessed a surge in orders since it started a pilot service roughly 3 months ago.
The pilot has really been successful, targeted for it to run for 3 months. And in these short 3 months, the bus operators have already seen the advantages of going green. We already have reservations for 132 units. That's a number we have today, but I'm sure it's going to keep growing.
The company aims to deliver 100 buses in the next 12 months on the streets of Kigali and 200 buses in the next 2 years.
Hari nk'imbogamizi twagiye tugira cyane nk'aha ngaha zo kubura amazutu, twagiye tugira imbogamizi ziriya modoka z'amazutu ni imodokari igira moteri igorana, ariko iyi bisi y'amashanyarazi ni imodoka nziza.
Hari ukuntu imodoka ibikuze imyotsi ijya mu bantu ihinda, yewe ni n'abantu bari ku nzira ku mpande n'impande ikagenda ibangiza. Internet irakora, urayikoresha, urayifata ukayibona, abantu baracaginga, ni nziza.